Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new selfie ring light on Snapchat. Selfie ring light mimics a physical ring light when taking a selfie on Snapchat. The light is spread out evenly on your face, making it look good. Before you begin, first make sure your Snapchat app has been updated to the latest version. You can do this by going into your Play Store or your App Store and updating it there. Once updated, open the app. Make sure the selfie mode is enabled. You can do this by double tapping or tap on the switch camera option at the top right. Now tap on the flash option. This will enable a ring light around your screen. You'll also see some extra options appear which you can customize. The first is the color temperature. You have neutral, warm, and cool. Below that, you have the option to change the intensity of the light. This is only noticeable when you're in a dark or a low lit area. Now go ahead and take a selfie using the Snapchat new ring light feature. If tapping the flash button just toggles it between on and off, that means your Snapchat app doesn't yet have the new ring light feature. If that's the case, you'll just need to sit back, keep your Snapchat app updated, and wait for the ring light feature to come to your phone. And that is how to use the new selfie ring light feature on Snapchat. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.